Hi, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to Ethics and Ethics Honors. I am doing one very short orientation video for both of my classes, and just to take a couple minutes of your time to introduce you to both myself and the class. My name is Dr. Andrea Diem. I'm chair of the philosophy department. I've been teaching at Mount SAC for quite a long time. I absolutely adore teaching ethics, world religions, introduction to philosophy, and I'm very happy to have you in this class. I did put up an introduction to myself in Canvas. It introduces you to my background, my education, my degrees, my family, my hobbies, just a little bit about me. So hopefully you can take a look at that. It's just about a page long. I also set up an introduction form for you guys to introduce yourselves to your classmates and to me, and I'm really excited to see those come up the next couple of days. So an introduction to the course, just a couple minutes of your time to explain that ethics is a really important class to take, not just because it's part of the human being. We're moral creatures in many ways, hopefully we are, but to explain like maybe how morality started with the human being, what's going on inside our brain that accounts for moral behavior. Different ethical topics that we can discuss would be like animal welfare, the environment. We could talk about ethics, which would be like euthanasia and abortion and stem cell research. So a lot of cutting edge, very current, modern topics really have a place in this course. And I hope you find these topics interesting. It's also super important that we cover ethical theories. And so what did, for instance, Plato have to say, and what did Nietzsche have to say, and what did Sartre have to say? So different Western philosophers will be exploring, and also Eastern ethics. That's a really cool topic, and I hope that is interesting to you as well. So that will be part of this class. I set the class up, hopefully very easy to navigate on Canvas. Everything is embedded. Everything is free. There's no text to buy. All the films and reading and posts and quizzes are there. Design of the course is set up as 6 units, and each unit we cover 2 topics. And so, for instance, one topic could be the environment, and then we also cover animal welfare, and that constitutes 1 unit. So that's how it's set up. Every time we complete a unit, we have post work, and we have quiz to complete on that. And then we move on to the next set of 2 topics or the next unit. After the end of the semester, we've completed 6 of these units, and the course ends. There is 1 project to complete, but outside of that, it just consists of your quizzes, your post work, your interaction with your colleagues, and that project. So hopefully the course design is very manageable for you, very easy for you to follow. And if not, or if any questions arise, please reach out to me. I'm here to help guide, facilitate this course. That's my job to do that. And I am available through the internet, through the help forum, through my campus office hours, through Zoom or what have you. So reach out to me if you need some help. But right now, I just want to welcome you to the class and let you know that this class is set up for you and ready to go, and hopefully you enjoy it. So thank you so much for listening. I welcome you to Ethics at Mount San Antonio College. Namaste. Bye-bye.